Hello, it's Monday, September the 27th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar fell against all major currencies after Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke said that damage from the financial crisis has left the US economy growing at a slower pace than policymakers want, despite the central bank's more than $1 trillion bond purchases reducing interest rates. Nasdaq and Dow Jones strengthened by 2.33% and 1.86% respectively. Crude jumped by 2% to close at $76.50 a barrel, and gold rose to a new record to close at $1,298 an ounce. No economic data is expected today. The euro touched a 5-month high last Friday against the dollar as German business confidence unexpectedly rose to the highest level in more than 3 years. The momentum of the euro-dollar is still strongly bullish for the euro. As long as it's above 133.50, a long position is preferred, with next resistance on the daily chart at 137. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 132.86 and a high of 134.95. The pound rallied against the dollar, closing on a 6-week high as concerns over the Bank of England's economic outlook were overshadowed by Friday's soft US economic data. The main resistance of the pound-dollar on the daily chart is 1.6, and the momentum remains bullish as long as the price remains above 157.50. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 156.41 and a high of 158.44. No economic data is expected today. The yen strengthened against the dollar after worse than expected data out of the US on Friday led investors to the safety of the yen. The dollar-yen has been fluctuating around 84.50 in the last 3 days, with support on 1-hour chart at 84.20. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 84.11 and a high of 85.39. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar gained for the first time in 3 days versus the dollar as reports showing higher than forecast German business confidence and US durable goods orders spurred investor appetite for assets linked to growth. The momentum of the dollar CAD is still negative for the US dollar. As long as the dollar CAD trades below 104 levels, a short position is preferred, with next support on the daily chart at 1.02. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 102.25 and a high of 103.55. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.